Hello friends, this time I will show you the menu food chopper. When you receive the goods, the brown box will like this, which has 4 size ultra high definition pictures. Let's open the brown box. Here is the instruction menu. Here is the egg white separator. Here is the handle. Here is the hand crank, which is packed with the poly bag. And here is the whole product main body. It's also packed in poly bag. Here is the lid, and the braid is inside the bowl. It's very easy to assemble this product. You just need to put the braid into the bowl and put the lid on the bowl. Then we put the egg white separator onto the lid and assemble the hand crank. The last step is assemble the handle. That's all the product.